All right, so we all feel the heat, and we know air conditioning is a necessity in our extreme heat. And new tonight, ABC 15's Patricio Espinoza joins us with a story about veterans helping veterans when they need a hand.
It's early morning. Their mission, same as every time, to install a new air conditioner. But today, there is more.
It's gonna feel good in there.
Oh my God, and then some. We're gonna start wearing like hoodies during the summer.
He's excited, and who wouldn't be when your system is decades old and falling apart?
These things are insane. Fresh out of the box.
We weren't going to be able to afford it. And with certain veterinary bills and my own physical health needing a hip replacement, it's like, what do you decide is more important?
AC or the hip?
Right. And it's crazy.
It's gonna be a nice, cool
So
weekend.
grateful. Yeah.
Tears of joy. But how did we get here? Lance is an Army veteran. Maggie Lou is his service canine. They adopted each other at a place called Soldier's Best Friend. We have been here before. Here, veterans are matched with homeless dogs to help each other. But today, a different kind of match.
Sarah asked me how old our AC system was and said that she had the opportunity to nominate a veteran to receive a new one. And she chose him.
And that's how it happened. Brothers helping brothers, says Lance. Marine veterans with a local AC company helping a fellow veteran.
We partnered with Wind Supply on this, and our distributor really helped out and donated this equipment for us so we could donate the labor and get this done. When a veteran's talking to another veteran, there's almost an instant camaraderie that we have, and we're always going to be there for each other.
And it really takes a team and a canine right there helping a veteran. It's almost like back out on the field, a brother helping a brother, or a sister for that case. I'm Patricio Espinoza, ABC 15, Arizona.
Because we all need a little help, right? Well, if you or someone you know is desperately in need of an AC but simply just can't afford it, there's a Valley Foundation helping those in need. Contact FSL. That stands for Foundation for Senior Living, regardless of age. FSL helps with programs in multiple counties.